I just recently found out this guy right here was posting my legal name under my videos. But 2 can play that game. I know what school you go to. I know where you park your bike. 2 can play that game. All it takes is 1 call.
All right, you want to shout out?
Sure.
All right, tell the camera.
MX Costco.
MX Costco, all right, I'm gonna put it there.
Bend over Benson on TikTok.
All right, bend over Benson.
Now what I need you to do is you need to buy me DJI mic and the GoPro 13 and then maybe a foot brake. Actually, do you want to get it right now? And then I can record like you.
All right, we're rolling out. Oh, my tire got cooked right there. Might be the same route as last time. These kids are all bippy. Hella bippy with the backpack. Hey! All right, now this is the guy that posted my legal name. We're chill now. We squashed the beef. We got Cohen again. Try some Ninox. Oh, no, not with this water. Not with that water. Oh. Brake control. Hey. There's the Varg, the Stark Varg. I didn't get to ask him if that was 80 horsepower. I'm just going to assume it is. Got the super motors on it, too. I'm gapped. This is Avex's Rideout. Go follow him on TikTok. Look at how beefy that Stark tire is. That is so beefy. Got him with the combos, triple X. Wearing the Stussy. And there in the Stark goes, it's wheeling. There we go. He proved he can wheelie. That's redemption right there. I was fully expecting to be jumped when I arrived. Fully expecting it. Were you at the last Rideout?
Yeah.
Bro, I think I compliment. No, I wasn't. I'm not that good. I think I complimented this bike. Yeah. This very bike.
Bro, you were fender scraping the whole time.
That was not me, bro. That was not me. I cannot fender scrape. On Wallahi, that wasn't me. Ninox are easier than normal wheelies. I have so much control in a Ninox. But in a normal wheelie, I just find myself like moving around. Also, posting a Rideout means I can't get paid by YouTube because this is technically dangerous. Since I'm not getting paid, if you guys could subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. I have no clue who's leading the ride. Probably this guy with the Avex shirt. Look at this ride. It's really not as big as the last one. Smoking it up. I wish I had my freaking feet out, my dogs. Just chill with my dogs out. What the hell was I doing, bro? What kind of hand gesture did I just make? I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, foot brake control. Foot brake. Foot brake. Foot brake. Oh, foot brake. Oh, foot brake. Oh.
Bro, I can't. Yes, you can. Switching up on your day one.
That's messed up, bro. You gotta let him swap. Let him have it, bro. Let him have it. You got it, bro. All right, we're going to the police station, I think. We're chilling. This is the police station, I think. Maybe. I don't even know. No, that's a Delta Center. Delta? They have a headquarters here? Since when, bro? Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. You gotta watch where you're going, bro. Oh. What is this? What bike is that? Really? Bro, that's super cool. I've never seen a Hyper-B before.
It looks a lot different because I don't have all the plastics on.
Yeah.
But once I have them on, it looks so cool.
That's sick, bro.
Thank you. I like your bike.
Thank you. I've never seen a Hyper-B. That is so rare. Is that a crackhead? I don't know who that is. Pedal, bro, pedal! Faster! 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 Oh. You're good. It's back of... I think we're in U of U, the college. You're not renting it. Oh, hell nah. Bro, these guys know the jumps. I'm with these guys. Cohen, I know you're watching this video. That Ultra Bee is so loud. You gotta do something with your chain, bro. That Ultra Bee is loud, bro. No way we're going to the canyon. There's no way. Oh, hell nah. Yo, where are we going? Okay, we're going to Eco, bro. Hell nah. We got a whole line of cars behind us, bro. Move over one, bro. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Where are we, bro? We're taking the highway. Bro, I didn't know we were going on the highway. Why are we here? We're cooked. All right, bye-bye, highway. Bye-bye. Thank God we're out of there. Use my turn signal. Ooh, turning right. I know what I'm talking about. Shot battery, EBMX motor. I'm gapped. No way we're going back on. There's no way. This is on the longer side of the rideouts. I don't think I've been to a rideout this long. It's really, really long. I already ran through 2 GoPro batteries. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I'm done. I think I'm rolling out. So that was it, boys. That was the end of the ride.